Hello everyone and welcome to our LinguStar trial lesson. I'm your teacher Dave and I am so excited to learn with you today. Now, I want you to look at the screen. We have a big questions here. Can all birds fly? Look at these two beautiful birds. We have one bird on the left side and one bird on the right side. What do you think? Can they both fly? Let's find out. What a nice place. I see a lot of animals here. Can you tell me what animals you see? Very good. We have tiger, monkey, cat, and dog. Great. So you know many animals here. Now, look up right here and look up right here. These are the two birds we saw on the first slide. Do you know their names? Look, it's flying. What bird is it? Hmm, Very good. It is a magpie. Can you say it again? Magpie. All right, very good. Now, this is a real photo of a magpie. Can you say it again? This is a magpie. Very good. Now, how many do you see? Very good. There are two magpies. Can you say it again? Two magpies. Very good. Since you got it correctly, I will give you a great job ribbon. So this is already yours. Now, magpies are birds. They have feathers and wings. Can you say it again? Magpies are birds. Very good. Time to find the magpies. Click and find all the magpies in the forest. Can you click them all? Alright, very good. We learn about magpies. Let's review the two things we know about magpies. Magpies are birds. And look at the cartoon. They can fly. So there are two sentences. The first one is magpies are birds. The second sentence is magpies can fly. Very good. So those are the two sentences coming from magpies. Now, let's go to the second bird. What do you think is that bird? Very good. It is a penguin. Can you say it again? Penguin. Very good. This is the real penguin. Wow. Can you say this is a penguin? Very good. Now, how many penguins do you see? Hmm, very good. There are two penguins. Since you got the correct answer, I will give you a great job ribbon. So this is your great job ribbon. So penguins are birds. Can you say it again? Penguins are birds. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Now, look at the penguin's wings. It's so very special. So, these are the birds or the penguin's wings. So, I will drag and find the correct penguin's wings. Very good. Since you got the correct answer for that dragging and finding the correct penguin's wings, I will give you a Star Students Award. So this is your reward for that correct answer. Now, We know penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. So look at the picture with the big red X. So penguins cannot fly. They use their wings for swimming, not for flying. Okay, so now there are two sentences. The first sentence is the penguins are birds. The second sentence is penguins cannot fly. So magpies are birds, can fly. Birds or magpies are birds. Can magpies fly? Yes, magpies can fly. But penguins are birds. Can penguins fly? No. Penguins cannot fly. So, to answer our big questions from the start, can all birds fly? The answer is no. Some birds, like magpies, can fly, but other birds, like penguins, cannot fly. Now, let's answer a few questions in complete sentences. Now, I want you to click on balloon number one. All right, we have this one. Can penguins fly? Yes, no. Penguins cannot fly. Correct. So this is your great job ribbon. Another great job ribbon for you. Second question is, are magpies birds? Yes, magpies are birds. Names of the bird? You did a wonderful job today. One last challenge. The magpie is asking, do you know any other birds that cannot fly? Can you give me an example of it? Yes, very good. We have ostrich or kiwi. Good job. So we learn about magpies and penguins, and that not all birds can fly. You are a superstar. So I will give you your three, three great job ribbon. You have Olive here and